Meaning of kagoul.
kagoul,
Kagoul.
kagoul,
Kagoul. A kagoul, also spelled kagoul, is a long, light jacket with a hood, worn to give protection from wind and rain. It is usually made of waterproof material, such as nylon or polyester, and is often brightly colored. Kagouls are popular in the United Kingdom and other parts of Europe, and are often worn by cyclists, hikers, and other outdoor enthusiasts. The word kagoul is derived from the French word kagoul, which means hood. The garment was first popularized in the early 20th century by French aviators, who wore it to protect themselves from the elements. Kagouls became increasingly popular in the United Kingdom during World War II, when they were issued to soldiers and civilians alike. After the war, kagouls remained popular in the UK, and they are still widely worn today.